Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wave Accounting for small business workflow optimization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Wave Accounting, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Wave Accounting and hit enter. Click on the official Wave website link that appears in the search results. Once on the Wave homepage, look for the Get Started Free button. Click this button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a password. After entering your details, click the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Wave. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Wave website. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Look for the download section, usually found at the bottom of the page. Click on the link to download the Wave Accounting app. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the installation. Once installed, open the Wave Accounting app. Log in using your credentials. Now you're set to explore Wave Accounting for optimizing your small business workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.